LinkedIn B2B marketing. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO Stuff. Today I'm back again, and today I would like to take you through LinkedIn B2B marketing. So if you're new here, my name is ACIERO. I'm based in the Netherlands. If you're watching this video, you may be a business owner or someone who is thinking of starting marketing on LinkedIn. Yes, and maybe you're in a B2B space. Yeah, if you're in a B2B space, LinkedIn is the place to be. LinkedIn has the benefits that you're looking for. So why am I talking about B2B marketing using LinkedIn platform? LinkedIn is a platform that's accumulated all CVs of people and accumulated all company information in its database, because in the beginning it was only used to get CVs out there, to look for jobs, and jobs, and those are companies. So if you're looking for working with a company and you're a company and you want to offer businesses to companies, LinkedIn is the best platform for you to utilize. Why should you utilize LinkedIn? LinkedIn is very targeted. If you're going to use their audience targeting, it's very targeted, and it can also directly target the person you're looking for. It's not like just searching around and assuming and throwing things over there and whoever catches. No, if you want to target CEOs of companies, you can directly target these people using mail sponsored ads, or just using any ad, or just like maybe an engagement ad, or using traffic ad. It doesn't matter, but at least they have a specific audience. You can specify the people you want. If you want to target buyers, if you're looking for buyers for your products, you can make an ad just targeting buyers of that. And if you're like in a niche industry and you really don't know target, maybe you're in aviation and you want to target people related in aviation and get more clients within aviation, you can target those people who are working in aviation in a certain industry. LinkedIn is very targeted, like I mentioned before. Directly delivers your ad to the specific target you're looking for. Imagine you're a recruiting agency and you're looking for people in a specific industry, and people have a master's degree or a PhD who are specialized in a certain field. You can use LinkedIn to just target them for a job, just run an ad, and then they'll get that ad, and if they are looking for a job, they can react and say, oh, I'm looking for this job. So it's easy for especially recruiters to find candidates to introduce to companies. So for B2B, it's very powerful. But how should you use LinkedIn for you to get your return on investment, and for you not to be throwing away your ad money and every time targeting cold traffic? What I always recommend my clients before they start LinkedIn B2B marketing is first optimize your website, optimize your company page, because some of you don't have websites and some of you just have company pages. But I think for a professional company, you should be able to afford a website. But some of you only have LinkedIn page and don't have websites yet, and that's okay, because if you have your LinkedIn page well optimized, people will be able to contact you within that page, and that page can also act like your website. So how do you optimize your page? If you missed a video on how to optimize your LinkedIn page or your profile, click over here. You'll see other videos on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Optimize your website. How do we do this? What I recommend most of the time is install your conversion tracker. If you have to retarget the people who have visited your website or people who have engaged with your ads or whatever, that you can, not just be going in, cold, that you just can retarget warm traffic, because most of you want to target cold audiences, and if an audience is cold, it's really difficult to convert. You have to have that tracker installed on your website. And if you don't know what it is and you want to learn more about what Google Tag Manager is, click over here. There will be a video on Google Tag Manager and why it's so important for you to learn. And if you need help installing this on your website or anything, go into the description below. There's a link to our digital agency and we can help you further do that. Once you've installed that, you can run ads, and those ads will show how many people who have converted or how many people that have engaged with your website. And if people have engaged with your website, you can retarget those people because they already have a feeling of what you have to offer and they have showed some interest. So it's better to target someone who has showed some interest in you than targeting someone who has no interest in you, because it will take a lot of time. It's like when I tell my friends about what I do, it's easier than telling a total stranger of what I do, because a total stranger, it will be like, from the beginning, well, tell your friends you're comfortable, you know them, they understand you, and you're telling a stranger what you do, that's like, it's the same strategy. So you have to try doing the cold trafficking and then using retargeting, and that's how you can get your ads convert. You need help, click in the description link below, or leave us a comment and like our videos. So if you like our videos, by the way, it helps us grow this channel, and it also helps us continue bringing you content that may help you grow your business and help you grow marketing, and and also get more leads. And for most of you, I know you're looking for leads and you want to grow your businesses. Leave your questions in the comment section, because it's going to be so helpful for you to grow and also achieve the results you want, your return on investment. So how do you implement all these strategies? Once you've set up your conversion, you can start running ads. And what type of ads should you run as a B2B marketing? First, run a traffic ad and run an engagement ad, and then run a conversion ad later on, because when you go to the LinkedIn platform, it shows you exactly when you're advertising in your Insight Manager, you see exactly how it goes, and you can, choose what type of ad to run. So most of you may be saying, yeah, should I use images? Should I use videos? It doesn't matter what you use. Only have to make sure that your ad goes to the right person, because LinkedIn is so specific and so targeted. So you don't want to run ads on LinkedIn that are not specific and are not really targeted, because then you should rather run them on a different platforms. But LinkedIn, a little bit expensive, but it's converting and people are more active there too. So your B2B business, don't miss out on this opportunity of marketing your business and growing your company on LinkedIn, because it's so powerful and it helps you get in front of the right people. So stop spamming people, just send them ads, just make an ad, and if they're looking for you, looking for someone like you to help them with their business, just do that. B2B marketing, that's the whole thing. And the other thing you can also do, because most of you are thinking, yeah, it's now you're telling us to do paid ads. No, I'm not saying paid ads. You can also market as a B2B marketing without ads. What you need to do, you need to build a social presence on LinkedIn. You need to build an audience on LinkedIn. You need to get a following on LinkedIn. And most of you who don't know how to do it, click over here. There's a video on how to build your audience on LinkedIn, or personal brand or company brand on LinkedIn. Will be linked there, or go to the description, in the description below, or in the comment section below. You'll see all those videos there. What should you do in order to grow that audience in B2B space and also market to it? So if you're making content for LinkedIn, you already halfway there. But how often should you make content and how frequent should you do it? Yeah, the thing is, make sure that you're consistent with your messaging, because if today I'm talking about LinkedIn and how to get you followers on LinkedIn, and tomorrow I'm talking about something else, you'll be like, we are confused, So I'm here to give you tips on how to build your businesses. And today I'm talking about LinkedIn. I'm consistent, but I also do other things. So on LinkedIn, you have to be consistent too, so that your audience keeps on expecting something that you have to offer from them. So how do you engage your audience? On LinkedIn, you have to make sure that the people stay on LinkedIn. So don't make posts that are linking people off on LinkedIn, because what LinkedIn does, it will limit your post and then you get less engagement on your post. Make sure you get engagement on your post. Make sure you write good content. Make sure that your company stays relevant on LinkedIn, so that when later on someone is looking for someone like you or company like you to do business with, that they can find you. Make sure you build a very strong profile on LinkedIn, because that's the key. Because you can't target me and send me an ad, and if I go to your company page and if it looks like crap, I will not convert. I'll be like, I don't want to do business with a company that has such an online presence. Think about your branding. Think about the content you're putting out there. So make sure you're consistent. Make sure you engage. Make sure that the people are engaging with your post, and make sure you're also engaging with other people, because don't expect people to engage with you when you're not engaging with them. It makes it so difficult. Get more people to understand your brand or engage with your brand if you're not engaging, because then you're limiting your circle. So make sure that you're posting, you're always showing up, and you're always helping and adding value. If you need help with your B2B LinkedIn marketing, leave it in the comment section. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Like this video, comment. It helps me grow this channel, and leave us questions on what you want to see. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. See you soon, and watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3, and go!